Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to reset or recover your Netflix account password. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open up your web browser and now visit Netflix login page. Once the page opens up, click on the sign in button at the upper right corner of the screen. Now click on Need Help underneath the sign in button. Netflix will redirect you to the Forgot Email or Password page where you can reset your password. Now you can choose to reset your Netflix password via email or text message. If you enter the email address linked to that account, Netflix will send you an email with detailed instruction. And if you want to reset your password through a number, then you can also enter the number that is linked to that account. And once you're done, click on text me or email me depending on the method you select. Now with this, a link to reset your password would be sent to you on either on email or your text. And you can go ahead and open the link and then reset your password. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.